In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the maintenance cartridge in your Canon Maxify GX3020 printer, and you will also see a code on the display panel that is 136A sport code. Now, in case you are doing the ink flush or flushing the ink in the print heads, you might get this message that you need to replace the maintenance cartridge. So right now I'm just going to take the maintenance cartridge out, and I will try to dry it, and we'll see if we can use it after drying the ink pads. Open the ink chamber, lift it from here. That is the maintenance cartridge. Push it and then you can just take it out. To dry the maintenance cartridge, we have to open the locks. So press it on the sides with the screwdriver and unlock it from all the sides. You can see the maintenance cartridge has a lot of ink inside. Now we can put it outside to get dry. I just tried to dry the maintenance box, so I put it in the sunlight and the heating area. So let's place it back and see if it works. So place it here, lock all the sides, install it again. So lift the ink chamber, place it here, and then move it to the forward. So it is locked. Now close it, switch on the printer. Let's check if that works or not. In case that doesn't work, then we have to buy the maintenance cartridge. So right now I can see everything looks normal, so let's do a copy. So it's doing the copy without any issue. Go to the maintenance, select the cleaning option and click yes. Now in case we get the error message here, then it's not gonna work without replacing. Cleaning is started, so that means drying the ink pad will definitely save the maintenance box replacement. So we can just dry it for 24 hours or more. Once the pads are dry, you can reinstall the maintenance box and it should be working fine. In case it's not working for you, then you have to replace it. Thanks for watching.